Welcome back to Tech Training Academy. Please like, share, and follow Tech Training on all of our social media platforms. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to see more of our educational content. Let's get right into it. In this video, we'll be talking on financial analysis with Excel, and this will be the dataset we'll be using to answer a bunch of questions relating to financial analysis. And the question for this video: what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? We'll be using this dataset to answer that question. So let's proceed. First, what's the difference between simple interest and compound interest? Simple interest is interest calculated only on the original loan amount, that is the principal, while the compound interest is calculated on the principal and previous interest. Let's say we have 250,000 as the loan amount. If you have 250,000 as the loan amount, simple interest is the interest on this loan only. Like if you pay today, you still pay tomorrow, you still pay next tomorrow. But compound interest is that if you loan this 250,000, the interest that you miss will not have its own interest on that. There will be interest on the interest. That's what compound interest is. Interest on interest, while simple interest is just interest on the principal, which is the original loan amount. Now, we are going to show with Excel the difference between simple interest and compound interest. The first step to doing that is to create a small table in an empty cell. Let's come over here under our table and use this to calculate for the simple interest. So we'll highlight all here, then insert a small table from that range. Now we have a table, but we don't need this much, so we can go ahead and delete this part of the table. Delete. Now we can highlight here as well and delete. Once you've deleted this, we now have two column table. Then the next thing is to type our principal. So here we have our principal. Here we then have our 10,000. Also, the next thing we have is our rate, 5,000. Our rate 5,000, 5%, sorry, as our rate, 5%. Then our years, 3 years. Then 3 years. What this is saying is that we loan 10,000. We are paying a 5% interest every year for 3 years. So how much are we paying in total? Now that is where our simple interest comes in. And the formula for simple interest, let me type this in: simple interest. Let me expand this. Too much. So for simple interest, the formula for simple interest is B23, B24, B25. What that is saying is that this times this times this will give us our simple interest. So this times this so you can say equals to B B23 times B24 times B25. That will give us our simple interest. This times this times this. That's, yep, for the principal, the loan, we are paying 5% for 3 years. How much is the total simple interest? 1,500. That is the total simple interest. Now for compound interest, for compound interest, we just do something different. What is going on with this one? For compound interest, there is a formula to calculate compound interest. Now before I calculate compound interest, let me show you the formula for it. Compound interest is interest on interest. It grows faster, while simple interest is interest on only what we started with. This compound interest is the principal times 1 plus the rate raised to power years minus the principal. So the principal minus times this 1 plus rate, that is add the rate to 100%, raised to power years, applies the growth for each year, and minus principal, remove the original amount to get only the interest. That is basically what we'll do in this video to calculate the compound interest. So equals to principal. The principal is B23. B23 times, bracket open, 1 plus the rate, 1 plus the rate, which is B24, bracket close, raised to power years minus the principal, raised to power years, which is B25, minus the principal, which is B23. And here we have it. If we compare it with what we have on our slide, 15.76.25 here. Now if you compare the results, you'll notice that for simple interest we only have 1,500. For compound interest, 1,576.25. 76.25 more with compound interest, because the interest on this interest compounds itself. The compound interest is interest on the interest plus the principal, while simple interest is just interest on the principal. Compound interest grows faster because we earn interest on previous interest. For loans, compound means we pay more. So if you loan money and you are paying at a compound interest rate, then you will pay more for what you borrowed. But if it's an investment and you are being paid based on the compound interest, then you will earn more than what you invested. So with that, we've covered the basics. We've covered simple interest and compound interest. To calculate simple interest, you just multiply the principal by the rate by years and you get your simple interest. But for compound interest, the principal times 1 plus the rate raised to power years minus the principal, and you get your compound interest. With that, we've answered the question for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Ernest out.